Are you happy?
No, I'm not happy.
Is she tired?
Yes, she is tired.
Are they friends?
Yes, they are friends.
Is it raining?
No, it's not raining.
Are we late?
No, we're not late.
Is he from Canada?
Yes, he is from Canada.
Are you at home?
Yes, I am at home.
Is this your book?
No, it's not my book.
Are they ready?
Yes, they are ready.
Is she your sister?
Yes, she is my sister.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am tired.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, it is cold outside.
Are we there yet?
No, we're not there yet.
Is your mother here?
No, she is not here.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Is he your teacher?
Yes, he is my teacher.
Are they in the kitchen?
Yes, they are in the kitchen.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
Is she sick?
No, she's not sick.
Are we on time?
Yes, we are on time.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Is he your brother?
No, he's not my brother.
Are they playing football?
Yes, they are playing football.
Is it your birthday today?
No, it's not my birthday today.
Are you new here?
Yes, I'm new here.
Is this your pen?
Yes, it is my pen.
Are we friends?
Yes, we are friends.
Is it hot today?
Yes, it is hot today.
Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student.
Is she at work?
Yes, she is at work.
Are you busy?
No, I'm not busy.
Is he tall?
Yes, he is tall.
Are they excited?
No, they're not excited.
Is she working now?
Yes, she is working now.
Are we going there?
Yes, we are going there.
Is he angry?
No, he's not angry.
Are they coming?
Yes, they are coming.
Is it snowing?
No, it's not snowing.
Are you my friend?
Yes, I am your friend.
Is she a teacher?
Yes, she is a teacher.
Are we at school?
Yes, we are at school.
Is this your bag?
No, it's not my bag.
Are you tired today?
Yes, I am tired today.
Is it sunny?
Yes, it is sunny.
Are you listening?
Yes, I'm listening.
Is he coming tomorrow?
Yes, he is coming tomorrow.
Are we near the station?
Yes, we are near the station.
Is your father at home?
Yes, my father is at home.
Are you speaking English?
Yes, I'm speaking English.
Is she your friend?
Yes, she is my friend.
Are they in the park?
No, they're not in the park.
Is he happy now?
Yes, he is happy now.
Is she crying?
No, she's not crying.
Are you tired of waiting?
Yes, I'm tired of waiting.
Is it a holiday today?
Yes, it is a holiday today.
Are you good at math?
Yes, I'm good at math.
Is he your friend?
No, he's not my friend.
Are they in class?
Yes, they are in class.
Is it difficult?
Yes, it is difficult.
Are we ready to go?
No, we're not ready to go.
Is he happy with his job?
Yes, he is happy with his job.
Is it time to go?
Yes, it's time to go.
Are you sleeping?
No, I'm not sleeping.
Is she your cousin?
Yes, she is my cousin.
Are we lost?
No, we're not lost.
Is this your place?
Yes, this is my place.
Are you from the USA?
Yes, I'm from the USA.
Is she in the kitchen?
Yes, she is in the kitchen.
Are we friends on Facebook?
Yes, we are friends on Facebook.
Is he a good singer?
Yes, he is a good singer.
Are you on holiday?
No, I'm not on holiday.
Is it important?
Yes, it is important.
Are you working tomorrow?
No, I'm not working tomorrow.
Is it your first time here?
Yes, it's my first time here.
Are they siblings?
Yes, they are siblings.
Is this your first job?
Yes, this is my first job.
Are you a teacher?
Yes, I'm a teacher.
Is he at the gym?
No, he's not at the gym.
Is it ready?
No, it's not ready.
Are you busy tomorrow?
No, I'm not busy tomorrow.
Is she older than you?
Yes, she is older than me.
Are you staying at a hotel?
Yes, I'm staying at a hotel.
Is she laughing?
Yes, she is laughing.
Are you finished?
No, I'm not finished.
Is he sitting next to you?
Yes, he is sitting next to me.
Are we moving tomorrow?
Yes, we are moving tomorrow.
Is she speaking French?
No, she's not speaking French.
Are they your parents?
Yes, they are my parents.
Is it too late?
Yes, it's too late.
Are you staying home?
Yes, I'm staying home.
Is he working from home?
Yes, he is working from home.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm feeling okay.
Is she always on time?
No, she's not always on time.
Is it easy?
No, it's not easy.
Is she on the phone?
Yes, she is on the phone.
Is it your turn?
No, it's not my turn.
Are you from England?
Yes, I'm from England.
Is he your neighbor?
No, he's not my neighbor.
Is it time to leave?
Yes, it is time to leave.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, I'm comfortable.
Is it open?
Yes, it is open.
Is it very expensive?
Yes, it is very expensive.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!